So in terms of our internal security operations, we are glad to report that no guerrilla fronts remain active across the country as of today. So nagsimula po tayo nitong Enero, no, when we had the command conference, the president reported that there are no more active guerrilla fronts, and there are 11. So at this point po, no, starting from January, now we're down to only 7 active guerrilla fronts. So we have successfully weakened the remaining groups with only 7 still under focused operations natin, no? And this achievement actually reflects our commitment to eradicating insurgency and fostering stability para sa ating buong bansa. Have to take note, no, pinakamarami rito ang surrenderies. No? So 6 are apprehended and 46 were killed. So a total of 166 firearms ang nakuha and 21 anti-personnel mines were either captured or sinurrender nila, and 10 naman ang encampment na na-seize natin. So with this, no, gusto nating i-point out na with the number of surrenderies, makita po natin meron tayong zeal towards the whole Filipino nation na iisa po yung puso at damdamin natin pag ang usapin is tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. No? Maging ano man ang background mo, ano ang iyong paniniwala, no? Iisa tayo pag sinabi natin na West Philippine Sea, atin ang yaman nito. So we are enjoining these surrenderies, no, to join us in this in this effort for us to really go forth and move on to bigger challenges, which is the West Philippine Sea issue.